Here are some electrical fundamentals. 1. What does a battery do? Stores chemical energy and supplies 12 V DC to start and run electronics. 2. What is alternator purpose? Converts mechanical energy to AC, then DC to charge battery plus power loads. 3. What is voltage? Electrical pressure that pushes current, measured in volts. 4. What is current? Flow of electrons, measured in amps. 5. What is resistance? Opposition to current flow, measured in ohms. 6. Ohm's law formula? V equals I times R. Voltage equals current times resistance. 7. What is a fuse? Safety device that melts to break circuit during overload. 8. What is a relay? Electromagnetic switch that controls high current with low current. 9. What does a starter do? Cranks engine using battery power to start combustion. 10. What is a solenoid? Coil that creates magnetic field to move plunger, like in starter. 11. What is ground? Return path for current back to battery negative. 12. What causes voltage drop? Resistance in wire/connection, reducing available voltage at load. 13. What is a short circuit? Unintended path with low resistance causing high current. 14. What is open circuit? Broken path where current cannot flow. 15. What does ECU control? Engine functions using sensor inputs and actuator outputs. 16. What is CAN bus? Communication network for modules to share data with 2 wires. 17. What is sensor? Device that converts physical condition to electrical signal. 18. What does MEF sensor measure? Mass of air entering engine. 19. What does O2 sensor do? Measures oxygen in exhaust to adjust fuel mixture. 20. What is throttle position sensor? Tells ECU how far throttle plate is open. 21. What is ignition coil? Steps up 12 V to 15 kV plus to fire spark plug. 22. What is spark plug gap? Distance between electrodes for spark to jump. 23. What is parasitic draw? Battery drain when car is off should be less than 50 milliamperes. 24. What is diode? One-way valve for current in electrical circuit. 25. What does rectifier do? Converts alternator AC output to DC. 26. What is stator? Stationary windings in alternator where AC is produced. 27. What is rotor? Rotating magnetic field part in alternator. 28. What is voltage regulator? Controls alternator output, usually 13.8-14.4 V. 29. What is a fusible link? High current fuse, wire protecting main circuits. 30. What is multimeter used for? Measure voltage, current, resistance, continuity. 31. What is continuity test? Checks if circuit path is complete with no breaks. 32. What causes dim lights at idle? Low alternator output or weak battery. 33. What is body control module? BCM controls lights, locks, windows, interior electronics. 34. What is DTC? Diagnostic trouble code stored by ECU for faults. 35. What is scanner/OBD2? Tool that reads codes and live data from ECU. 36. What is charging system test? Check battery voltage 12.6 V off, 13.8-14.4 V running. 37. What is series circuit? Components in single path, same current through all. 38. What is parallel circuit? Components with separate paths, same voltage across all. 39. What is wire gauge? Wire thickness. Lower number equals thicker wire equals more current. 40. What is load? Any device that uses electrical energy. Need these in a printable PDF or want me to quiz you random ones?